Introducing the Forge Motorsport EDV, an innovative British-manufactured electronic diverter solution combines cutting-edge technology with ease of use. Some key features: a plug-and-play design. The Forge EDV is 100% plug-and-play. That eliminates the need for any of the remote solenoids, complex vacuum tubing, ultimately a very hassle-free installation and operation. British manufactured, high quality construction made from certified aerospace grade aluminium billet. The EDV ensures 100% durability and performance. Experience quicker response times and improved throttle responses compared to the OEM options. The EDV is 100% leak free and designed to avoid triggering any engine management lights. EML issues, they're long forgotten. With our hybrid vented options, our unique design allows for atmospheric venting without disrupting modern OEM ECU controls. That provides 100% flexibility based on your needs. With 360-degree rotational flexibility, the Forge Motorsport EDV is the only valve which can be rotated 360 degrees upon installation. This ensures that it accommodates very tight spaces and misses any nearby components when fitted. Its durable technology features an integrated electronic pilot valve, which is proven in global motorsport applications, ensuring its reliability and performance under pressure. With any Forge Motorsport valve, it's fully serviceable. The EDV is designed for ease of maintenance, ensuring longevity and continued performance. This ensures there is no compressor surge. Say goodbye to compressor surge issues, allowing smoother throttle response and a lot more linear operation. Forge Motorsport offers a lifetime warranty. We back our products reflecting our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. This gives peace of mind, so the Forge EDV represents our dedication to research and development, giving the confidence in a product that we've owned for nearly 30 years of experience in diverter valve manufacturing. Not to mention, the Forge Motorsport EDV has won the SEMA Best Street Products Awards. Such an achievement for our team here in the UK. A masterpiece of a valve, lifetime guarantee. Get your orders in now. They're gonna go fast.